Hello, all, it's Sharon. Happy Friday. In today's video, I'm back with part 3 of my Dollar Tree haul. So this first item here, I forgot to show in yesterday's video because when I showed all the homeschool stuff. But this is by the Teaching Tree, and this is the over-the-chair storage. So you can put this little pouch over your chair and then store extra school supplies. We did have one of these before we moved, and I just was getting, kind of old. So I need a new green color one. And hopefully this will fit over his new computer chair that he got. But yeah, I just grabbed a new one. I grabbed this 5-piece set by Crafter Square. This is the clay craft tool. So really cool different types of tools that you can use with clay. I'm going to put this with Nate's Play-Doh, but like the one in the middle, pretty unique. So, just to have some new Play-Doh tools since we left a lot of our old ones behind as well. They had these new magnets out by Jot. You get 6 of them, and they just got this cool kind of cheetah print on it. Kind of gives me that Lisa Frank vibes, but yeah, pretty cool. I did get 2 packs of these. One is already open on our fridge, but yeah, really cool with that cheetah print. I grabbed these metallic crayons. You get 8 of them, so they're just got like that glitter to them. That's your colors. So it's just the 8 basic colors with some glitter added to them. So that might look nice on some black construction paper. Also, like all our old chalks and stuff, I left that behind. So I grabbed all these cool packs of Crayola chalks. So you get 4 colors in each package. So we have the Very Berry one with those colors. And then Fiesta. It's pretty cool colors. And then this one is the T-Rex Effects. That's pretty cool with having a brown chalk and a green one. And then we have the Pool Party ones. And then we have the Spring Fever one. These ones are the only ones I saw at my Dollar Trees. By the way, all these items I'm showing you were purchased throughout the month of September into October at the Port Elgin, Wasaga Beach, or Owen Sound stores. And all the items in this haul were $1.50. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. But yeah, they're really cool chalks by Crayola. And you could also cut the image on the front of the packaging and use it in some arts and crafts, because all the images are super adorable. Trying to show the detail of these stickers. They are raised up, so they're kind of puffy, but they're metallic and shiny, and they're just these really cool leaf stickers. And you just get the 3 of them in the package. Now these are also sold at Dollarama. I want to mention there are some other styles like bees and birds, I believe, and butterflies, but I really like these ones that are the leaf ones. So yeah, really cool design on them. And I was thinking maybe Nate could use these as, like, you only get 3, so I might have to see if I can get another package of these so he could use them in some type of art project and maybe make a bird using them or a butterfly or something. But I will definitely look and see if I can get some other ones. But yeah, super nice stickers, and I'll let him use them whatever way he chooses. But yeah, really cool. Got this 45-piece set of the pipe cleaners, and this is again Crafter Square, but these are the ones that are like double colors, so those are always fun. Like this blue green one at the back. But pipe cleaners are fun for a lot of art projects, lacing activities, fine motor activities, STEM projects. You can ask your child to, get them a few of these and ask them to make a tree or a butterfly out of them, or a car even, and see what they come up with. But yeah, I always like having different types of pipe cleaners around. Also, I have a plastic skull from Dollarama that has like little holes in it, so we'll be using some of the brown tone ones as worms, and just it's like a fine motor activity, get Nate to lace it through the holes of the skull as part of our Halloween decor. And lastly, these next items are going to go for a project that I'm kind of working on. Now, if you watch some of my earlier videos or videos on our other channel, I used to not use my real name. My name is Sharon, but I used to say Sean and I. That's just a nickname I came up with. I'm going to link the video down below in case you're interested in checking it out, but it's on my old channel, and it was a toddler do-it-yourself learning board that I put together for my son. It's one of my most popular videos on that channel. but in case you want ideas for younger children. But I do have a new trifold uh, like poster board that I'm going to make him a new learning board. So I grabbed a couple items for that. So if you want to check out the older video, I will link it in the description. But I got these Crafter Square 20 piece of these fastener dots, so like the little Velcro dots. So I don't know how I'm going to set up the new board. I'm probably going to do a double-sided, one for like phonics and one for math. But I grabbed these to use some way. I don't know if I'll just stick these all on the board and then make my own cards somehow, and then I can, take them off and change it up. That's what I was kind of planning. But I did get some really cool borders to go along with it as well. So I think I'm going to do one side in this pattern here. And these are by the Teaching Tree, and they're the 18-inch one. You get 12 in each package. And there's this really cool sparkly green with like stripe kind of rainbow pattern. So that would be for one side. I did grab two because I wasn't sure if how many I used on the first time around. So hopefully this is enough. But I also have these ones, so if it's not enough, then I can maybe do one of each of these. But they also have these really cool space theme ones with the stars and these fun animals in space. And then these, if you can see there, it's kind of cut out. You can kind of pop them out from it. So I thought those were really cool. And then these ones, you only get 10 though. So I did get 2 of those as well to decorate maybe the other side of the board. Or if it doesn't work out, maybe I can use, they can use these to decorate something, in his room or something off his bed. But also, they had, similar to the space one, or these butterfly ones. And the butterflies, it's kind of hard to tell, but the butterfly one also pops out. So pop out shapes to make them 3D, and you get 10. I only bought one of the butterfly one just to have, Nate can use whatever way he wants. But yeah, if you're interested in checking out the do-it-yourself learning board that I made for Nate when he was toddler, you can check it out in the description. But thanks a lot for watching this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you sometime next week. Take care, and bye for now.